In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Tradingview with Exness. By the end, you'll be able to use Tradingview's powerful charts while sending your orders through Exness. So everything feels streamlined and professional. We're using the direct connection method on the Tradingview website. Start by heading to Tradingview and opening any chart you like. Euros is a simple example, but any symbol works. The specific chart you choose here doesn't lock you in, you can switch symbols at any time. Next, look along the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Click it to expand a list of supported brokers and tools. This panel is where Tradingview integrates order execution and account information. So once you connect, you'll see your balance, positions and orders right here without leaving the chart. Find the Exness logo in that panel. Hover over it and click Connect. This launches a secure sign-in window. Log in with your Exness credentials as you normally would. Always make sure you are on the official Tradingview site and only authenticate in the pop-up provided by Tradingview to keep your account secure. After you sign in, you'll be prompted to choose the specific trading account you want to link. Select the MT5 account you plan to use. This could be Standard, Pro, or another MT5 option. Tradingview's integration primarily supports MT5 accounts, and while MT4 can appear in some contexts, it may have limitations. Picking the right MT5 account here ensures the features you expect, like order placement from the chart and real-time account data, work as intended. When prompted, grant the necessary permissions to finalize the link. This authorization allows Tradingview to display your account balance, equity, and open positions and to send trade instructions to Exness for execution. You are not giving away control, you are just allowing these two platforms to communicate securely. Within a moment, you should see your account reflected in the bottom panel. Balance and open positions will populate, and the status will indicate that you are connected to Exness. From here, you can trade directly on the chart using Tradingview's order panel. Manage positions from the trading panel and monitor everything in one place. Before placing any live orders, double-check you are on the correct account and symbol, and confirm your order size and risk settings. That's all it takes. You've linked Tradingview with Exness using the direct connection method, and you are ready to analyze, place, and manage trades in a single intuitive workspace.